Hey guys, Murisei. Welcome back to Shona land, and today I'll be taking you through letter R and combining it with the Shona vowels. As a recap, the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels are the letters that determine how you pronounce all Shona words, and this is how they sound. We've got A, E, O, U. Okay, so today we'll be combining letter R with the Shona vowels, and this is how it's pronounced. So if you combine letter R with the vowel A, it's ra, ra, ra. And if you combine it with A, it's re, re, re. And if you combine it with E, it's ri, ri, ri. And if you combine it with O, it's ro, ro, ro. And if you combine it with U, it's ru, ru, ru. Okay, so giving you sample words now. For ra, we've got the Shona word rara, rara. That's sleep in English. Rara. For re, we've got rema, rema, rema. That's heavy in English. Rema. For ri, we've got rinda, rinda. Sorry, you pronounce it as rinda, rinda. That's a grave, grave in English. Rinda. For ro, it's rota, rota. That's dream. Rota, like dreaming when you're asleep, whilst you're sleeping. That's rota. Ru, we've got rufu, rufu, rufu. That's funeral in English. Rufu. So we've got ra, rara, re, rema, ri, rinda, ro, rota, ru, rufu. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to our channel. On the next video, we'll be talking about letter S and combining it with the Shona vowels. So be on the lookout for that video. Thank you guys. Ndatenda.